Hello children, I hope you all are happy and safe today. Welcome to our special English hour. Here, every day we will learn something new in a fun and exciting way. Do you all remember the tongue twister that we tried in our previous session? हमने अपने पिछले सेशन में जो टंग ट्विस्टर कहने की कोशिश की थी, क्या आप सभी को वो याद है? She sees cheese. Now I will read it for you one more time. Cheese. Now I want you all to repeat it with me. She sees cheese. She sees cheese. Let us try to say it a little faster. She sees cheese. She sees cheese. Now a little bit faster. She sees cheese. 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 Wow! I was finally able to get it right. I hope you were able to say it too. We all know that words are very important for a language. हम सब जानते हैं कि अक्षर एक भाषा के लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा महत्वपूर्ण होते हैं. Now, let us learn some new words. चलो अब हम कुछ नए शब्द सीखते हैं. Our first word is office. 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 My mother goes to her office at 8 o'clock in the morning. Our second word is wrong. 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 I got my math report card today. Only 2 of my answers were wrong. Our third word is surprise. 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 I gave my sister a surprise gift on her birthday. Our fourth word is playground. 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 My school has a very big playground. Our fifth and the last word is biscuits. 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 Meenal loves chocolate biscuits. Children, today's session is filled with activities. So let us move to our first activity. Here, my friend and I will do a conversation. But I will not use any words. You have to look at my actions very carefully and try to guess my response from the 2 options given below. बच्चों, अब यहाँ मेरी दोस्त और मैं कुछ conversations करेंगे. आपको मेरे इशारों को ध्यान से देखकर मेरे जवाब को नीचे दिए गए 2 ऑप्शंस में से पहचानना है। Are you all ready? Let's go.
Hello, Namita. Are you busy? Will you come and play with me? What is wrong with you? Are you angry with me?
I hope you all had fun guessing these actions. Now let us say thank you to Pradnya for being here. Thank you, Pradnya.
It was my pleasure.
Did you all like trying to guess the answers? Now let us try to guess these answers again in our chapter. Please open page number 26 of your My English textbook. If you have a textbook, point your fingers on the words with me. अगर आपके पास टेक्स्टबुक है तो अपनी उंगली को शब्दों पर मेरे साथ रखें. And if you don't have a textbook, don't worry. Listen to me carefully. और अगर आपके पास टेक्स्टबुक नहीं है तो कोई बात नहीं, मुझे ध्यान से सुने. Children, today we are going to see how 2 friends are talking to each other. But one of them does not use words to communicate. She uses sign language. बच्चों, आज हम देखेंगे कैसे 2 दोस्त एक दूसरे से बात करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, लेकिन उनमें से एक सिर्फ इशारों में जवाब देती है. The name of our chapter is Keeping Quiet. In the first picture, she says, "Hello, Namita." What do you think Namita here will say? Namita says, "Hello to you too." In the second picture, she asks, "Are you busy?" क्या तुम busy हो? What do you think Namita will answer? Namita says, "No." In the next picture, she asks, "Shall we go out to play?" What do you think Namita here is trying to say? Namita says, "No, no." In the next picture, she asks, "Hey, what's wrong with you?" Namita, तुम ठीक तो हो ना? What do you think Namita here is saying? Namita says, "Nothing." In the next picture, she asks, "Are you angry with me?" क्या तुम मुझसे नाराज हो? What do you think Namita here is trying to say? Namita says, "No." In the next picture, she asks, "Can I take your pen?" क्या मैं तुम्हारी पेन ले सकती हूँ? What do you think Namita here is answering? Namita says, yes, sure. In the next picture, she asks, where is it? वो कहाँ है? What do you think Namita here is trying to say? It is in my pencil box. In the next picture, she asks, where is Mitali? Mitali कहाँ है? What do you think Namita here is saying? Namita says, I don't know. In the next picture, she asks, where's Shama? Shama कहाँ है? What do you think Namita here is saying? Namita says she is there. In the next picture, she asks, on the playground. क्या वो playground में है? Namita says, no. In the next picture, she tries to ask again. In the office. क्या वो office में है? And Namita says, yes. And finally, in the last picture, she says, then I think I'll go to her. तो मैं उसके पास चली जाती हूँ. What do you think Namita here is trying to say? Yes, she says bye-bye. Now let us try to do another activity. On your screen, you will see a picture. In this picture, you will see words written in 3 different colors: blue, yellow and green. We have to choose one word from each of these colors and try to form 5 sentences. अब आपको आपकी स्क्रीन पर एक तस्वीर दिखाई देगी. इस तस्वीर में आपको शब्द 3 अलग रंगों में लिखे हुए दिखाई देंगे. हमें इन रंगों में से एक शब्द चुनकर 5 सेंटेंसेस बनाने की कोशिश करनी है. For example, we see 3 different colors here: blue, yellow and green. Now, I will choose one word from blue, one word from yellow and one word from green. For example, let's work quickly. So my sentence is, let's work quickly. Similarly, I want all of you to try and form 5 different sentences. All the best! I hope you were able to form all of the 5 sentences. Do you want to know what are the sentences that I was able to make? Let's look at them. Let's eat biscuits. My second sentence was, let's study every day. My third sentence was, let's work hard. And my last sentence was, let's go home. Now we have another activity for you. My friend and I will show you how to interview someone. मेरी दोस्त और मैं अभी आपको सिखाएंगे कि किसी का इंटरव्यू कैसे लिया जाता है. I will ask her a few questions. She will answer those questions and I will write them down. Are you all ready? Let's go. Hello ma'am, what is your name?
Hi, my name is Pradnya.
Ma'am, where do you live?
I live in Goregaon West.
Could you please tell me your full address?
Sure. Please note it down. It's Ram Ganga Nivas, Sundar Nagar, Goregaon West, Mumbai 400062.
Thank you, ma'am.
You are welcome.
Can you all tell me what is your favorite subject?
Ooh, I love history.
Great. Now can you tell me what is your favorite dish?
I love gulab jamuns.
I love them too.
Wow.
Can you tell me what is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is cricket.
Now the last question. What is your hobby?
I love to read books.
Can you tell me what is your favorite book?
My favorite book is the Harry Potter series.
Thanks a lot for coming, ma'am.
You are welcome.
Today, we did a lot of learning through a lot of different activities. Now, it is time for all of you to sit back and relax while I tell you all a story. अब आप सब आराम से बैठकर इस मजेदार कहानी को ध्यान से सुने. Have you ever been told that you are too small to do something? क्या आपको कभी भी किसी ने ऐसा कहा है कि आप बहुत छोटे हैं? But at the same time, have you ever been told that you are too big? और उसी तरह आपको कभी किसी ने ऐसा कहा है कि आप बहुत ही ज्यादा बड़े हैं? छोटे हैं कि बड़े? Too big or too small? I still remember, every time my younger sister tries to do something, she is either too big or too small. मेरी छोटी बहन जब भी कोई भी काम करने जाती है, वो या तो बहुत ज्यादा बड़ी होती है या बहुत ही ज्यादा छोटी. Just like this, Shanu in today's story is also very confused. Is she too big or is she too small? The name of today's story is Too Big, Too Small. It is written by Lavanya Karthik. Shanu sees that her mother has her younger brother in her arms. Now Shanu also wants her mother to lift her up. But her mother says, Shanu, you are too big. I cannot lift you up. Now Shanu wants to go to school. She says, I will go to school alone. But her Abbu says, Shanu, you are too small to go to school alone. Shanu's little brother has a very beautiful cot. Shanu sees how her younger brother sleeps very peacefully in it every day. Now that she knows that Abbu said she is very small, she thinks she can sleep in the cot too. Just as she was climbing on the cot, her grandpa says, Shanu, don't climb on the cot. You are very big. Shanu and her family are going for a picnic. All of them are very excited to go to the park. Now Shanu's Dadu had told her that she is very big. So Shanu decides that she will carry her little baby brother to the park. Just as she was about to pick him up, her mother says, Shanu, you cannot pick the baby up. You are very small. Mummy thinks that I'm too big. Abbu thinks that I'm too small. But Dadu thinks that I'm too big. Too big or too small? Now Shanu is very confused. माँ कहती है कि मैं बहुत बड़ी हूँ. अब्बू कहते हैं कि वो बहुत छोटी है. लेकिन दादू कहते हैं कि शानू बहुत ही बड़ी है. बड़ी है या छोटी है? शानू बहुत ही ज्यादा कंफ्यूज्ड है. Now Shanu goes to her Ammi with this same question. And her Ammi says, why, you are just the right size to go to big school. Now her Dadu says, even if you cannot carry Chotu on your back, you are big enough to take me on my morning walk. And her Dadi tells her, you are the perfect size for me to tell you a lot of stories. Now her entire family tells her that no matter how big or how small you get, we will always love you. I hope you all like this wonderful story. Today, we learned how to interview our friends. We asked them a few questions. What is your name? What is your favorite food? And where do you live? Now, I want all of you to ask these 3 questions to your family and friends. अब मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप सभी ये 3 सवाल अपने परिवार और दोस्तों से पूछें. I will see you in the next session. Until then, stay home, stay safe and bye-bye.